but what do you make of this incredible volatility we have seen in tech stocks?
It's crazy, right? Good morning. It's rates. Rates are front and center. They have been for the last several weeks. This week we had stabilization until this morning, but we had stabilization in the 10-year, a lot because of David Tepper comments, a lot because the ECB was very dovish, at least short term. Medium term, though, Brian, rates are moving higher, and that's because of all this stimulus, the liquidity, vaccines, great progress overnight with Novavax and J&J. The reopen is happening. I just am looking at some of the data points from Vail Resorts who reported, and visitations in January were down 17%. In January, March, down 8%. So you're seeing progress on the whole reopening. You're seeing reservations actually on the rise. You're seeing air travel, TSA checks, all better. So the stimulus is working. It's just going to lead to not only better growth, but probably more inflation. And if that's the case, rates are going higher in the medium term, and value will continue to work over growth. And that means that some tech stocks and some high flyers will certainly struggle here in the short term.
But that doesn't mean you don't like, all tech stocks are not created equal. I know because, I happen to watch you on Halftime Report and shows like that, Stephanie. Google, right? Everyone just dumps FANG in the QQQs. You still love Google, and I think you've added to more Google or Alphabet, whatever it's called.
Yeah, I'm underweight FANG in general, and I'm underweight tech, mainly software in general. But I do like Alphabet because I do think that there's operating leverage in that story. And it is, in a way, a reopened name on travel search, right? And digital advertising has certainly rebounded. So that one I really like. But I am underweight, for the most part, the other FANG names. I do like semis. I do like semi-cap equipment. I do like Broadcom and NXPI and Lam Research. I like cybersecurity, too. So there are pockets in tech you can like. But today, they're all going to be down. So you just have to be very particular, and you have to pick on the down days.
You think the macro tech trade is over? Stock pickers market, Stephanie?
I hope so. I really do, as an active manager. But I do think that you have to be selective. Yeah. And I think you do definitely want to have maybe not the value names per se, but the economically sensitive names, the financials and materials and industrials and energy. Yeah. Those sectors, I am overweight. So I think you still want to be barbell it, right? But be selective in tech and own these other sectors and be overweight those.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.